sino kami kagalang-galang nagkahanga-hanga na mga senador dahil Amerikana kami at palagi kami naka-makeup, hapon-hapon, lumalabas kami sa television. Actually, hindi sila nakikinig. Marami sa kanila hindi nakakaintindi kung ano pinag-usapan. Halimbawa, tatanong ko sila kung voting na. Kasi pag voting, natawag yung pangalan mo isa-isa alphabetically. Eh, una palagi na di ako defensor sa Tiago. Tapos yung mga later on in the alphabet, you'll always ask, Miriam, ano ba voto natin? Yes or no? So I'll say, for example, I voted yes. And then they will always swear on themselves. Yes tayo, yes tayo. That's why I sometimes act like that. You have to understand the context in which I'm performing. Kung minsan naman, late na siya dumating, si Senator. Tapos tatanong siya, ano ba pinag-usapan ngayon? May pagkaperahan ba tayo? Kaya alis din siya. Even worse in the House of Representatives. So do not be intimidated by these high words, democracy, liberty, permissiveness, authoritarianism. These are carried out by people exactly like you and me. There is no need to be intimidated by these lawmakers.